It's the beginning of a new month, and that means it's time for one of my favorite rituals planning. Hello, friends. Today I am setting up my June planner, organizing my projects, and thinking about the goals I would like to focus on this month. Nothing too rigid, just a gentle roadmap for the weeks ahead. If you enjoy creative planning sessions, I hope you'll find a little inspiration here. So grab your favorite drink and let's open our planners and welcome June together. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself here. Hi, I am Juhi, a self taught illustrator artist from India. I haven't been always an illustrator, by the way. I was an architect for the major part of my career life until now. Last year, I chose to change paths to become an illustrator artist. I know it's a bold move for me at the age of 39, but it was time for change. So, here on this channel, I will be sharing my journey with you, my illustration processes, my experiments with different mediums, my work, my studio, and everything in between. So, if you are interested, please follow along and subscribe to my channel to support me. This month, I am hoping to create more intentionally, share more consistently, and make space for both productivity and some play. Let's see where June takes us. Now, coming back to the journal, I here used basic colors and mediums to draw these birds and flowers for the spreads. This month's theme, I wanted to keep it simple. This actually reminds me of those days when bullet journaling was much simpler with simple ink drawings. I remember I wouldn't dare to even color my journals as it was daunting for me. Now, I cannot function without a full illustration guiding me through the month. I used simple inking brush pens and two basic colors from Faber-Castell Polychromos, and that's it. Keeping it simple. The calendar page is again simple with some gentle hands wrapping around the birds, the flowers, and leaves. The font I used for this month title is called Azure. I guess that's how you spell it. I will leave the link down in the description. It felt delicate and decorative at the same time, and it went well with my illustrations. I loved it. Now, coming to the weekly spreads, I prefer doing Dutch door cutouts. You will know if you have seen my previous videos. This year, I have been doing horizontal layouts for my weekly spreads with time blocking my days into chunks of 2 to 3 hours for deep work sessions, daily routines, and my work hours. Here I made a small folk art style border as I did not have much space to make birds here. So yeah, that's the final spread. Moving on to the last spread, where I always make a bold illustration along with my monthly review section. Um, this illustration of a bird in full flight spreading its wings is a reminder for me to be bold and fly out of my limited boundaries and chase my dreams, taking on all the challenges that come my way head on. Here, the monthly review section has a place for me to write the highlights of the month and also what I need to add or remove from my life that serves or doesn't serve me. So that's that. I end the spread with a short, beautiful quote which says, "What good are wings without the courage to fly?" I loved it and I hope you did too. Here are the finished spreads. Hope you enjoyed this month's theme and all the simple illustrations I made. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more such videos. Till then, take care and have a lovely weekend. And happy planning. Bye.